welcome back everybody. I have not been that active on YouTube recently, as you guys know, but this is my prom recreation makeup tutorial. I had prom like 3 years ago and we just had the best time. It was like the best night. It's not that big a thing as it is in America, but still it's still like a pretty big deal over here. Some of the photos that were taken on prom night before I got drunk. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy the video. So some of the makeup that I'm going to be using was literally the stuff I used on prom day, but some of it is rejigged about a wee bit. But to start off with, I am going to prime with number 7 Airbrush Away Primer. This was literally the same product I used back then. Just rub all of this into the face. And then for foundation, the foundation I'm going to be using is True Match Foundation by L'Oreal, but for when I actually done my makeup for prom it was Arbonne that I used, but we'll see how this goes. And I'm going to be using the same brushes that I used, so I used like the flat foundation brush. I'm honestly like too tired to even do this video, but I am going to try and recreate the look as best I can. It was 3 years ago, so like I can barely remember what I did, but yeah. And just blend all that out. I don't know, my makeup seemed like absolutely flawless, and I was gonna get like my own makeup done by like someday, but I just ran out of time in the end and I was like, oh, I'll just do it myself. And then onto the eyes, I definitely remember using this number 7 palette, and I think I just took the browner shade out of it. Yeah, that brown shade, and just put this right over all my eyes. And then back then I didn't know about cut creases, I didn't know about mixing colours, so I think I just stuck to like the one colour all over my eye. Yeah, I wasn't very adventurous 3 years ago with my makeup. Then blend all that out. I'm doing the eyes first, but I normally do like the concealer and all that, but whatever. I remember having a lot of black liner on for prom in the bottom lid. And in the inner, like the lash line up the top, I put it in there as well. Just for more depth. And then the mascara that I probably used back then was Avon Big False Lashes, but this is like dried out, so I'm not going to use that, so I'm just going to pop on the Bad Gal Lash by Benefit instead. I absolutely love this mascara anyway. I think looking at the photos there's like a wee bit of black shadow in there as well. Maybe I'll just pop it on. I think I put it like right along the lash line. and then like underneath, just to like make it more smoky. I think that was the vibe I was going for. And then a little bit of concealer. I'm sure I put concealer on. I don't think I would have went out without it. It's like so hard trying to remember what I did. Anyway. And then I'm sure I used this brush to like blend it in. Because I thought it was like so cool with these wee like brushes that came out from Primark. Lol. So there is like so much background noise with these kids running about because it's the summer. And just blend that out. I always used to leave my brows till last, and I have no idea why I would do that, but I'd done it, so let's do it the way we done it, properly. And then I specifically bought Hoola powder. This isn't the same one, obviously, I've used it since then, but yeah, I specifically remember watching a YouTube video and then the Hoola powder was like such a big thing and it was new out and things like that, so I went out and got it and used it. And I think I just made like a really thick line of it on my cheek from the ear down. This is when I was like teaching myself how to do makeup. Lol. I don't think I put any on my forehead, but let's just do it because I don't want to look tanned on the cheeks and then pure white on the forehead. And then a highlighter on top of that. I think I used this 17 highlighter. Oh, I've not got a brush. 2 minutes and I'll go get a brush. Okay, I'm back. So I used this brush pretty much for like everything. When I was learning how to do makeup. This is so, I don't even think like it highlights anymore. Oh Chelsea, you've moved on. You have moved on in the makeup world since then. Oh wait, it does. There's like a little bit of a pop. And then I think I used to go on my fingers and go underneath my brow. These techniques, honestly. And then on the lips, now I'm not like 100% what I've done for my lips. I definitely didn't line them or anything like that. I didn't even wear fake eyelashes on prom night. But I'm using this number 7. Number 7 Passion Pink. And then my lips seemed really glossy, so I'm gonna just put a little bit of gloss in the middle just to add that more pop. And then the dreaded eyebrows. My eyebrows have always been like really bad and I really need to go get them shaped. Jess, you don't have to tell me. They were ridiculously bad back then as well, but obviously I got them filled in for prom. So then I used this like double palette thing with a teeny wee brush, and I think I mixed like the two darker shades of dark brown and the light together. Just brushed it through my whole brow. But like I did have my brows and my nails and everything done. I'm just trying to do like a recollection of the makeup. Like my hair all done really fancy and I looked so pretty. Oh, I was feeling the whole thing. Then I think, if my memory serves me right, I used the Rimmel London Live Pink Cheek Blush on this big massive brush. And I didn't use a lot of it, but enough to like spice up my cheeks. Yeah, and I am going to get changed and then show you the final look.